how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. So if you want to delete your YouTube channel permanently, then just follow the steps. What you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your Google or your browser, and then you need to search for studio.youtube.com. Go with the first search and make sure to log into your account. It might ask you to log in. So go and log into your account. And once you've logged into your YouTube studio on your browser, now here you will have all of your channel analytics and everything, right? So you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that profile option. Tap on your profile. Under profile, you need to go with add account option. If you don't have add account, then tap on switch account. Once you tap on it, now here you will have add account option. Simply go with add account and choose the channel that you would like to delete. So I'll be choosing a channel. Once you've chosen, now here you need to go with the bottom left, which has that settings option. Tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, now here you will be taken to the settings, right? So under settings, you need to simply choose an option of channel. Tap on channel and then go with the advanced settings. And under advanced settings, you just need to simply scroll all the way down and then tap on manage YouTube account. And now you need to again go with the left side and then tap on advanced settings. And here on the right side, you will have an option of delete channel. Tap on delete channel. Once you tap on it, you need to verify if it's you or not. So simply enter your password and you can enter your screen lock or your fingerprint also. And here you need to choose the second option, which is I want to delete my content. And here you need to choose these boxes if you want to delete your videos, playlist, and any other subscriptions that you had. And then tap on delete my content. And once you tap on delete, your YouTube channel will be permanently deleted. So in this way, you'll be able to delete the YouTube channel permanently. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.